Panito is revolutionizing the snack industry with high-protein, baked, and gluten-free vegetable chips. A perfect balance of health and flavor, made possible with the precision of the EXG250, Atlas International's world-class production technology.
Hello, I am Cemal Özer. When we decided to produce chips as Panito Company, we first came across Atlas International Makino. We visited their factory in Gaziantep. I would like to thank them for their hospitality and their easy and fast solutions. We signed a contract with Atlas International and decided on a complete facility including chips line and packaging. They delivered it to us shortly, within a month. We did all our pre-production tests in Gaziantep, and they fixed our deficiencies in one day and delivered it to us. We started producing as of the second day. We work with many machinery companies, and since we are also machinery manufacturers, we are considered a difficult customer. Despite this, we started our production quickly in 2 days. In addition, the team gave us training for about 15 to 20 days. We started the production together with the team, and we realized our first export together. As the Bite and More and Smarter brands, we, as Panito Company, thank Atlas International very much. I would like to thank Mrs. Kubra, Mr. Abdurrahman, and the company owner, Mr. Ahmet, who provided everything we wanted. Hopefully, we want to work together with Atlas on more new lines very soon, as we aim to become a leader in the functional food market, first in Turkey and then in the world, with our brands. Thank you very much.
From advanced manufacturing to healthier snacking, Atlas International and Panito are shaping the future of food production. Discover world-class snack production solutions with Atlas International today. Atlas International guarantees quality, freshness, and seamless world-class technology since 1977, serving food production and packaging leaders around the globe. Atlas International, leading innovation in food production and packaging since 1977,